Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. We're going to add a new vehicle we've got. It's a 2013 Ford F-350 utility body. It's an extended cab, four-door, excuse me, it is a four-door. Extended cab F-350, gas, four-wheel drive. Johnny and I are going to go over some highlights on this thing. It's got power windows, power locks. Oh yeah, power mirrors. Keyless entry, CD. It's got the auxiliary system in it and stuff, if you wanted to put some lights on it and things like that. No rips or tears in the seats, side impact airbags. It's got head airbags in it too. Nice. Got real nice General tires wrapped around on it, all 10 ply. Put a custom coat bed liner in it. Tow package. Knapheide bodies on it. One owner, clean Carfax. Rust-free truck. These trucks are all fully serviced down at our Fleet Repair Center, Truck South. And we do more than change the oil. If you got any questions about this unit or more information on this unit, we'll be happy to help you with that. You can hit us up at 919-661-2886. Ask for Nick or Johnny on the other side of the camera there. We'll be happy to help you any way we can. Or you can visit our website at josephmotorsnc.com to view the full inventory. They're all one owner, clean Carfax, rust-free environment trucks, bought all over the country. You're not going to find better stuff anywhere. So we look forward to your call. Have a great day.